Hello and welcome. My name is Sara and this is Sara's Abstract Expressions. I encourage you to stick around and see what I do. If you like my art and like what I'm about, please consider subscribing. Make sure to hit the like button if you really like what I do. Also, don't be afraid to say hello and ask any questions you may have in the comments. I always reply to all of you personally and really love all the positivity. Anyways, on with the painting and let the music play. The main point of this video is to show you how each painting comes out unique and different even though the same colors, layering, and method was used. It shows you how the silicone behaves in the paint and in 2 different colors. It's essentially the reverse of the white sandwich pour that I had done on Tuesday. I think it's just as beautiful as the white pour, and it with its own personality. Let me know what you think in the comments. What one do you prefer? Black or white? Do you like the sandwich pour method? Like this video if you enjoyed this painting. For other ways to support me, please check out my PayPal donate and my Patreon that are linked in my channel banner, about section, and description. You can also find all of my social media links in my channel banner. Anything you can do helps me a lot. So comment, share with everyone you know, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.